Need that baseline.
You do, and the globe model itself, if you want to call the begging the question proof of nothing perspective hijacking Earth curve calculator a model, that requires both a horizontal baseline labelled in their maths, check out Metabunk with its surface level, and eye level. Those are both horizontal. So the maths itself requires horizontal, be straight, not bent. Now, for the last 7 or 8 years, I've heard idiot numpties from the globe side of the anti-flat Earth discussion telling us that horizontal doesn't mean horizontal, it means bent. That level doesn't mean level, it means curved. And yet these fundamental principles are part of their maths. And not only are they part of their maths, that principle is exploited to give you the differential between eye level and surface level, to claim that the point you're seeing as the horizon is actually a mathematical derivation in their maths below surface level. When you watch yourself viewing something in Muppet Vision, side of your own head, side of the target, side of a tangent point horizon, below the surface level that you're acquiring it from with a differential calculator, otherwise known as Earth curve maths. Well, there is no physical geometric sphere edge horizon. You wouldn't expect to see it even if you're a globe-believing Muppet. It doesn't exist and hasn't existed since 2020.
Like atmospheric refraction.
It was debunked with the Black Swan. There's no longer any geometry to Earth to acquire.
Why is that a problem? There's no problem with it being all straight line.
Because of refraction, according to them. Not that their refraction actually represents light bending through a sphere-shaped air. It doesn't. Nor does it represent actual refraction in the form of Snell's law with light traversing two different mediums. It isn't. What they have is a derivation of their R value when they beg the question, and then beg the question on top of the begging the question, and then beg the question on top of the begging the question to leave them with a paradox where they can't acquire the geometry, straight line tangent to Earth curve they claim boats forced to fall over in their mathematics. Yet they lay that claim at our door with pizza pie Earth and boats falling over it. Yeah, well, there is no physical geometric sphere edge horizon. There hasn't been since 2020.
It's like atmospheric refraction.
Therefore, there is no geometry to assert. There is no angle corrections to do. There's no dip geometry. There's no straight lines. The globe is so dead, it's untrue. You know, that is why we need to be censored. That's why we are here. That's why we're at the bottom of the lists of the graveyard shift of people producing crap on YouTube. We're not going to be found when you look for Flat Earth, because what we describe here is absolutely devastating. We not only explain how and why Earth is flat, how it's measured and navigated flat, but also how that flatness has been exploited to give you the globe belief that you're actually in, if you're coming here to debate. Not that you are, because you know you'll lose.